Hi, welcome back. This is a shout out to Lois from Arizona. She had asked me a while back, and I just never got around to it, how to attach a drop for a permanent bracelet when sometimes jump rings, small jump rings, won't work. So I'm going to show you how to do it with different sizes of tips, as well as some other tricks and hacks that you could try. So here are the drops. I'm going to show you with this pin to see where the drill hole is, like here. And you want to select jump rings where it is big enough to go through. The hole is large enough for the wire to go through, but also that the diameter is big enough to go across where the hole, this tip. So for example, even though this is going to be thin enough to go through, it is not quite wide enough for this and also clear the tip. So we're going to try with this jump ring, and this should fit like this. Now, I'm going to open this, but actually I have one that is open like this. And this is 22 gauge with 4 mm outer diameter. Okay, so this works like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you could do it without a model here to put around the wrist. I'm just going to mock it up. So on one end and then on the other, I'm going to close it so that you can see. So on the person's wrist, it would look like this. It's very pretty. Now, sometimes though, you'll see this one, this is hand drilled, and it's a little bit wider at the top. And let me see. Okay, so it's going to be tricky. I don't know. This was drilled lower. So I'm going to try this. This drill lower, so this wider, this part is wider, and you'll see that it's harder. I cannot get it to go through because this is circular. So what you can do is straighten out. I'm going to show you a better light. You straighten out this. So instead of this, you straighten it out like this so that you can slip it in. Let me see if I've done it enough. Yeah, you see, now you can see that. And the other thing is, if you want to wiggle, you can wiggle this way, okay? And then you're able to say, I'm going to try this out. Okay, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to first try not to manipulate with the stone because sometimes it will break the tip of the stone. So I'm going to now, let me try this out. So I have straightened this a little bit so that it's not meeting perfectly, but I'm going to move it in like this. Okay. And okay, so I'm going to weld it. I'm going to hold on this side. At 7.5 watts. Okay. Now I think, yeah, that has worked. But I'm going to do the other side too. Okay, so that. And then I shift in a bit. And there you have it. So basically, what you're doing is straightening out this, shifting the bead in, bending it, and letting the other side meet, weld it, and then shift in the center so that it works. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, and I'm going to leave a note below with more information about the components you've seen in this video, as well as my online store and the Orion Micro Welder. I want to thank everyone for their amazing support. I'd like to continue making these videos, and your feedback really does help. Comment below and let me know what you think, and certainly any sort of video ideas or what you'd like to see, I'd like to hear about it. As well, of course, all those who have been purchasing from me and helping to finance more of these videos. Thank you very much.